Okay guys, welcome back. Today we are here back with a new video, and so guys, actually this one was not planned, but I already have a lot of Bluetooth speakers and I always liked Divoom speakers, and when I saw this one for $29.99 at a second-hand store, I just bought it. Okay, so what does it say actually? So 20 watts, 3-inch subwoofer, which is actually just a woofer, 2-inch full range and 8 hours of battery life, and NFC. Okay, oh, that's upside down, Okay, so we have accessories and the speaker itself, and that's all. So we will take a look at the speaker after. Okay, so we have the usual manual and a mini USB and auxiliary cables. Okay. So guys, here is the speaker. So it's a 2.1 speaker, which actually sounds very nice. So you have your power button, Bluetooth, volume plus and minus, and your call buttons. Yeah. Okay, so here you have your auxiliaries, so you have auxiliary port and just the charging port. Nothing special, but yeah, 2 passive radiators on the back, 1 3-inch woofer and 2 full ranges, which are actually just mid-ranges that acts as mid-tweeters actually. Let's just turn it on and compare it against the Docking Define, because that's the only speaker I have which does sound as good as this thing. So guys, let's go.
Is your head spinning too?